As the sun shines on all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to Locs, Lux Lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So today I am here with these super easy claw clip styles for locks. So let's get right into it. Before I do any styling to my hair, I always make sure to hydrate it, oil it, and I also did my edges. So my hair is already kind of prepped. So this is what we're working with. So this first look is for the ladies who like to have hair in their face. So my hair has already been parted down the middle, and then I'm gonna pull about like 6 locks from each side in the front of my head. So if you have thicker hair, especially locks, the key to these claw clip styles is all in the illusion. So I'm gonna begin by like sectioning off majority of my hair and putting it up into a high ponytail. So I'm only going to leave like a couple of rows of locks loose in the back, and then the rest I'm just going to pull up into a high ponytail. And these claw clip styles are very much like effortless and kind of messy, so you do not have to worry about your ponytail being perfect. And I think these styles are also great for like in between retwists. So you guys can see, just put my hair up in this like high ponytail, pineapple, whatever you want to call it. And then with those remaining loose locks in the back, I'm just going to give them like a little twist towards the ponytail. Then I'm going to take my clip and I'm just going to clip those loose locks onto that ponytail. And there you have it. It was that simple. So again, it's all in the illusion, because if I tried to just like tuck all of my locks and twist them up and clip them with the claw clip, it would not work. So now I'm just going in with my edge control and just kind of smoothing out my edges in the back. And that is pretty much it for this first look. Very cute, very effortless, so easy to do. Literally took me like 3 to 5 minutes to do this style. So now moving on to the next look. So I'm just going to take this style down, and this next look is for the ladies who kind of like their hair out of their face. So I'm going to begin by doing a side part. So I'm just rearranging my locks into a side part. And similar to the last style, I'm going to take like the bottom half of my hair and pull it back into a ponytail. But this time I'm going to do a much lower ponytail, and I'm not going to leave as many locks loose in the back. And then I'm just going to secure that ponytail with a scrunchie. And then for the sections in the front, so on the side where it's kind of like a swoop bang, I'm just going to use some bobby pins to create like that swoop bang shape that I like. And then I'm just going to take the loose locks on both sides, and I'm going to combine them with the loose locks in the back, and then I'm going to put all of those locks into another ponytail. Then after all the hair is in the ponytail, I'm just going to flip that ponytail up and combine it with the top ponytail and take my claw clip and then place it on top. And sometimes you kind of have to play with the placement of it to make sure like it's secure, but after you play with it, it should look something like this. And then any of the locks in the front in my swoop bang, I'm just gonna go in and bobby pin them down some more so that I just have the shape that I want. And that is it for the second style. It's so funny how these different trends go in and out, because I definitely remember these claw clips from the 90s, but I was a little girl and I was in ponytails and hair ballies. And then when I graduated from hair ballies, I was more of a butterfly clip kind of girl. So I never really got to experience the claw clip styles, but I'm so happy I can recreate them now with my locks. And I think these styles are so effortless, so easy to do, and they really just pull your look together. So that's gonna be it. This was a really quick tutorial, but thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.